Good morning, Marina. How are you today? Today we're going to be working on some voice awareness to make sure we keep our voice nice and hydrated and in good condition, so that way we don't have a harsh voice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is tell you some questions, and then you're going to go ahead and answer them, and we're going to go over them and say whether it's a good thing or a bad thing to go ahead and do with our voice. Okay?
Okay.
So the first thing I'm going to ask you is, when we're playing with the car, should we make a screeching sound or should we make a humming noise?
A screeching sound, because that's how cars sound like.
You're right, that is how cars sound. If we make a screeching sound though, what it does is it scratches our throat and our voice. So we would rather hum. So we want to practice humming when we're playing with cars, okay? The next thing is, when you're outside with your friends, should you scream to get their attention or should you go up to them and walk and use a regular sounding voice?
Go up to them and use a regular voice.
Good. Yes, we don't want to yell across because that also can hurt our throat and our voice. Okay, the next one is, should we talk loudly inside because the television volume is too loud, or should we lower the volume on the television?
We should lower it, but I like to talk loud.
Yeah, it's okay. We just have to be careful when we're talking loud not to raise our voice too high, so that we don't get sore throats and we don't get harshness in our voice, okay? The next thing is, when we're on the phone, I know sometimes we have to talk louder, but when you do talk louder, remember that you should not be yelling, but if you do talk loud, to use a higher tone, but not yell, okay?
Okay.
So, and then also remember to keep your voice well hydrated by drinking lots of water throughout the day, and it'll help you, okay? So I don't want you to remember those techniques for your voice, okay? And the next thing we're going to do is a muscle relaxation, which is a head and neck roll.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is sit straight in your chair, put your shoulders back, and what we're going to do is we're going to bring our chin down to our chest, bringing down the neck slowly, touching the chin to the chest, and then we're going to raise it back up slowly, bringing the head up, tilting it back towards the sky, and then we're going to stretch our neck and our throat, and you can go ahead and feel that and see how that feels to stretch, and then you can go ahead and bring it back up, okay? So that is going to help you stretch your neck and your muscles, okay?
Okay.
Now, to soften our voice and the attacks on our throat, we are going to do what's called an easy onset. Okay, that easy onset is, you're going to say a word starting with the H, and when we say it, we're going to practice saying it with the breath before we let out the air. Okay, so we're going to let out some air, take a deep breath, and then we're going to let it out, and as we say the H of the word, we're going to let out that whole air, okay?
Okay.
So again, I'll give you an example. It's hippo.
Hippo.
Okay, now let's practice with some words, okay?
Headache. Hopeful. Handy. Higher. Humble.
Good job. And remember to take that breath in, let it out as you say the whole word, okay? And it'll help you to relax your voice as you make the softer sounds of the letters and the words, okay?
Okay.
Now, thank you for remembering and coming today. Just remember all your techniques for your voice and how to keep it hydrated and relax your muscles, and the easy onset to soften your glottal, okay?
Okay.
Hi, Michelle. How are you today?
Hi, fine, thank you.
Okay, we are going to be doing some techniques to help us with our voice quality. The first technique that we're going to use is humming. When we're humming, I want you to look at me first so I can explain to you how we're going to do it. We're going to place both our hands on our side of our nose, and what we're going to do is we're going to put our lips together, and we're going to make the M sound, like in the letter, okay? Okay, and then you should feel some vibrations along the side of your facial bones on your nose and along this area where your hands are. Okay, so I want you to practice doing it 5 times. We're gonna try. Okay, we're gonna do it together one more time. Then I'll have you do it. Okay, so put your lips together and say that Okay, and try to hold that. Okay, go ahead and do it. Okay, good. One more time. Okay, now can you feel the vibration along the side of your face and your cheeks and your nose?
Down here, but not right here.
Okay, go ahead and try to push, not too hard, but put your hand there so you can feel it right under your cheeks, right close to your nose. So that way you can feel the vibrations as you say the sound. Okay, good. Okay, good job. Now, we're going to do another exercise technique to help us with the loudness of our voice, okay? So what we're going to do is called a push-pull technique. We're going to pull first, putting our hands on the bottom of the chair, and we're going to put our shoulders straight. And as we are trying to pull up from the bottom of the chair, staying seated in the chair, we're going to say the ah sound, okay? We're going to try to get our voice to get as loud as it can, but not screaming, okay?
Okay.
So I'll give you an example. So, ah. Okay, I want you to try now. Okay, we're going to do it 4 more times. Ready? Okay, good job. Hold on to that chair. It'll help you pull up that sound. Good job. Well, can you try one more time for me? Good. Okay, now the next one is a push. We're going to grab our 2 hands. We're going to make 2 fists. We're going to bring them together. And then we're going to put our elbows out, raised to our chest. Okay, and then we're going to push down. And as we're pushing our fist down, we're going to say the ah sound, okay, to try to help us build that loudness. Okay, ready? Ah. Okay, go ahead and try doing it 4 more times. Try to get that loud. Okay. One more, try to get a little bit louder. Good job. Okay, these techniques, the humming and the push-pull, will help you with your voice quality and your loudness. Okay, so whenever you feel that you need to use them, go ahead and use them, and we'll keep practicing them.
Okay.
Thank you.